business.techmw.
Welcome back to some more TechMW madness. Today we are going to be re-exploring the 2006 MacBook that turned off, kind of died a little bit. Not really sure what happened while it was running Minecraft. We want to go inside this machine. We want to find out. That sounded kind of wrong. We want to go deep inside. We're going to take this machine apart, we're going to clear it out, we're going to put some new thermal paste on it, and hopefully get the fan to work if that's the problem. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get on with this. All right, we've got the best screwdriver for this job possible. Oh yes. The first step that always catches me out is taking this darn battery out, because this thing gets in the way. Not that it's useful at all in any way, I might as well just keep it out. Yeah, it's just... We're going to start off with these kind of screws around here and kind of work our way around. We've got access to our RAM now, as you can see. There's a bit of tape in this. I actually taped the hard drive into this. That's a bit wild. And then, yeah, we've got our RAM. We'll pull this out just for now to see if it's dirty. Yeah, the bottom of those modules where the pins are is looking a little bit kind of white and dusty and horrible. It looks like snow or some kind of random white powder. It's all over my thumb. I never thought I'd get high filming a YouTube video, but it looks like I'm going to. All right, we've got those components kind of out. They're just kind of over here. I'm not too worried about the screws because, like, it's pretty obvious that those go in there and I'm not going to lose track of them. I'm not too keen on this crack. I feel like we might break this. Oh, hello, cheeky screws. Right, okay. We should hopefully be able to take off the keyboard now. No. Am I missing something here? Like, this is not coming apart at all. Oh, I think I've sliced my finger on the MacBook. Ow! That is definitely my bad. I forgot about these screws. Right, that's why it's not coming off. Still doesn't want to come off. I missed even more screws. So it turns out there are screws here, here, and here as well that I didn't get, so I've got to do them. Okay, we have a slight problem. So this screw right here is kind of stuck and will not come out, which is a little bit of a problem. There we go. Oh no, I ripped the keyboard lead. Okay, that should be fine. That should be fine. Oh my gosh, that is grim. Look at this. It's like moldy. That is absolutely grim. That is full of dust, and we need to get this heatsink off and replace that thermal paste because that is going to be long gone. Now the fan seems to be plugged in fine, so I don't know what the problem is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, vacuum cleaner. I know these are electronics, and I know brushes with electronics don't necessarily go very well, but there's no metal on this at all, and I'm just gonna, you know, this is an old MacBook. I'm just gonna go over it and go, and yeah, that's right, with that exact sound. I don't know about you, but I think that's already looking way, way better. I mean, it looks great. Yeah. Pretty good. All right, let's do this thermal paste. Oh, that is a lot of dust. That is grim. Although, to be fair, considering how old it is, it's not as much dust as I thought it was going to be. This thermal paste, I don't know if you can see. Look at that. It's just kind of gone... Ugh. Nice. I have got Arctic MX4. This stuff is great. Please don't judge the amount of thermal paste I use. I know everyone seems to use a different amount. I use like, you know, a pea size-ish sort of, maybe, not really. And it works. I mean, it's fine. Heatsink is back on. So let's get this thing back together. Oh, first try, it's always the wrong way around. Same with the USB stick. All right, the MacBook is pretty much back together. Plugging in the cable and hoping. Hey! Your computer's clock is set to a date, but oh, that's fine. 10/4/11, 2 gigs. Lovely. So yeah, we're running on a 2 gigahertz Core Duo. Bleep. Why is it like that? Oh, and we're in. Nice. Oh, actually, you know what? That seems to be noticeably better. This seems to be running okay this time. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It seems to be running decently. Just about playable, I would say. What kind of FPS are we looking at? 18 FPS. I mean, it's pretty bad, but I mean, it's running. This is a 2006 MacBook, and it's running, so not too bad. How about we try Super Flat World and see if it's any more playable? That took a long time to load, but there we go. 34 FPS. 30 FPS. I can build whatever I want. Let's build a bedrock hut. Yes, I'm getting this track, which is brilliant. It makes sense like this. I love it. It's not completely horrible. Yes, let's just go about 4. Yeah. Is that really amazing? In real life. Cool. This is my house. There you go. So I would say on Super Flat, this is definitely playable. So if you have a Core Duo MacBook of your own, or a Core Duo iMac or Mac Mini, it should run this no problem on Super Flat, realistically. If you have a Core 2 Duo system or better, it's just going to run it a lot better. I will try Minecraft on the Core 2 Duo Mac again. I might try and replace the thermal paste in that as well. But I'm very impressed. I'm actually quite impressed with this. It's now running at 36 FPS, and it's quite stable once all the chunks are loaded in fine. I mean, I'm just moving around. There's no real slowdown anymore, so I'm very impressed. Good job, MacBook. So, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Also, consider joining the Discord server. It's a wonderful place to hang out. I'm always on there talking to people and just talking in general because I do a lot of talking. And if you couldn't tell by these videos, it's just a pretty fun place to be. Link is in the video description and on the channel page. So, thank you very much for watching this one, and I'll see you. I just caught my finger on the desk. That was like, ow. And I'll see you in the next one.